how to delete YouTube channel on mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, there is no way to do this within the YouTube or YouTube Studio app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. So what we need to do is open up a browser and navigate to studio.youtube.com in the browser. Check the description. I'll have a direct link down there. Once you get there, you'll probably see a screen that says try out the YouTube Studio app. Go ahead and select continue to Studio in the bottom. Once you select that, it's going to bring you to the web version of the YouTube Studio. And this is where we can actually delete our channel. So go ahead and zoom in the bottom left where you see the gear, select the gear. And then in the settings here, select channel. Now we just want to scroll to the right and select advanced settings. Then just scroll down. And at the bottom, you'll see remove YouTube content. Select that. It's going to open up Google and you may need to log into your account. So go ahead and do that. And now you have two different options. So if you don't want to delete your channel and lose all your playlists, anything like that, you can simply hide your channel. And this is basically deactivating your YouTube channel. It's still there, but it is hidden and nothing is publicly viewable. But if you want to permanently delete your channel, select I want to permanently delete my content. Then check the box that you're permanently deleting basically everything on your account, and any subscriptions will be removed as well. So check both these boxes and then select delete my content. It may ask you to confirm one more time, but after that, you will have permanently deleted that YouTube channel. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.